What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. It's another week and I'm back in Walmart looking for clearance deals. So I figured we'd start down here this week, down in the $15 and up section. And I'm seeing a lot of new items. I'm also seeing some similar items that have been here. You guys know how it goes. They have the Bissell antibacterial cleaning formula for $19.97. Some of these baby carriers. Wow, wait a minute, I'm confused. It's a Baby Alive stuck to a Lily baby carrier. This is $99. An OtterBox for $20. That Keurig is still here. Wow, you guys, I'm seeing lots of new Pioneer Woman items in this week. This is a 2-tier server for $19. And then this heavy-duty KitchenAid mixer is here this week. It's $269. And these are brand new for $17. Also by the Pioneer Woman. 6 16-ounce containers, the crate and the little lids. Those were originally $26.84. Areas Adventures are still here. These are $15. Minecraft fitted sheet sets, a fitted, a flat, and 2 pillowcases for $15. These were $29.96. We have Shopkins, we have Cars, we have Spidey, all for $15 each. Those are definitely new this week. This is the $13 section. Oh, well this says it's $15. This is also by the Pioneer Woman. This is to organize your teas. It was $25.83. Oh, they have another one here. I really like the little knobs, the pulls. They're so pretty. I'm seeing some comforters. The Transformer pillows are still here. This comforter is $27.80 something. Some little Shopkins blankets. These Shopkins blankets are $11. They were $22.88. Wow, that was pricey. Some Vikings sheets for $11. You get the flat, the fitted, and the 2 pillowcases. They still have this SanDisk charger and device to back up. It was normally $49. Ooh, these are nice. These are really heavy ice cream scoops. I don't know how much they are though. Some great value vacuum filters for $11. Love Grows here is $7.88, which reminds me, I've been wanting to take you guys out to the garden center because I want to see what sort of tropical plants they have, what sort of cactus, succulents, flowers. I really like it out there. It's so peaceful. This is a beer recipe kit and these were $14.98 originally. More sheets. A squishy stress ball kit for $7.90. They have some helmets this week. Those are $17. I think all of these are $17 by the brand Shoon. They have more make your own kits. This is a hard cider kit. It was $44.83, but now it's marked down to $25. And they have the larger box of the craft beer. Was $44.83, but is now $25. Let's head on down to the $7 section. Ooh, they have a Black & Decker here. A Black & Decker. This is definitely not $7, but let's see if we have any tags. This is $79. It was $159. And this is the Power Series Pro. Nice. It has the grab and go canister. Up to 60 minutes of runtime. That's super nice. It has a 2-year warranty too. These little baskets are here. You guys were asking me how much these were in a previous video. These are still $7. Ooh, what's this? I don't think it's on clearance, but it looks really nice. And so the adventure begins. You gonna check it for me? Oh, thanks. He's gonna check it for me, you guys. Let's see if it's on clearance.
It is not. $12.97.
$12.97, you guys.
In the wrong place.
It's not on clearance. Thank you so much. That's one thing to remember, you guys. Always check it. It might be lower than you think, or it might be here accidentally. They still have lots of the $4 clip-ons. Those are for mosquito protection. This is by Rug Doctor. This is an all-in-one floor cleaner. It was $9.98. They also have the Febreze vacuum filters for $5. The makeup bin. A lot of NYX. What brand is this? Flower Beauty. Another Essie for $5. And they have some Almays down here, I believe. Oh, Revlon. And I think they have some Almays in here. The Matte Bombs for $5. A Moana Throw for $7. It was $14.88. Oh, and these are new. These are the blue half-pint jars. They were $7.97 by the Ball brand. Now they're $5. And these are little shelf closet organizers. These are $5 for shoes. Some of the storage bins are back for $5, and some of the bubble wrap is back, the cushioning bubble wrap for $5. Oh, look you guys, they marked down the Happy Planners. They are no longer $7, they're now marked down to $4, and they don't expire until December of 2019. Also, this blue sky planner was marked down. It's now just $3. And it expires also in December of 2019. Looks like they added some reptile food. Does anyone have a bearded dragon? I have fish. Fish and cats, no bearded dragon. Canners, they have some pectin here for $3. It was $4.97. This is by the Ball brand. I found more Pioneer Woman lids. These fit on the 32-ounce mason jars. You get 4 for $2. Ooh, what are these? Avery round labels for $3 was $8 or $9.27. We're getting closer to the $3 and $1 section. Oh, more from the Pioneer Woman. These are little mason jar labels. They were $3.43, now they're $2. These Band-Aid Surgipad surgical dressings are $3. You get 12 dressings. Here's a little outlet cover with cord shortener by the brand First for $2.50. This little binder is still here. It's marked down to $2.50 now. I really love the color. Freezer tape for packaging your frozen goods. Those are $1.50. Oh, and more pectin. Canners, get ready. Get ready for strawberry season. And then we have some regular mouth mason jar lids for $2. You get 6 in a pack. This one is wide mouth for $3. Some dollar Sharpies with the ink indicator. What's this? This is a bridge head. Oh, for pool. This was $1.46, but it's just 75 cents now. And this is down here in the $1 section. This is the travel accessory set. It's a 4-piece set. You get a seat protector, a 2-in-1 mirror, a baby on the go safety sign, and a cling shade for $10. And then they still have some of these little 25-cent calendars left. These are good through December of 2019. What do you guys think? Do you like this week's deals? This little $3 organizer. I feel like we've seen a few things for organizing, quite a few things for canning. They, of course, still have the planners. And what else has been added? I've seen some like vacuum filters. Oh, look at this. I don't see a tag on this. The kids would probably like to put this in our fish tank. It's here on the clearance aisle, but it doesn't have a tag. Well, hey you guys, that's it for me here in Walmart on the clearance aisle. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along. If you did, please show me lots of love by hitting the thumbs up button. Share with me down below in the comments. And if you haven't yet, hit that little button to subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.